In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Pinterest board. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open Pinterest and sign in to your account. If you don't have the app, you can easily do this through your web browser. Just type in pinterest.com and log in with your credentials. If you're already familiar with the layout, you probably already know how to access your profile without fuss. Once you're signed in, look for your profile picture. It's usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. This action will take you to your profile, where you can see all the pins and boards you've saved so far. Now, the next step is to click on the option that says Saved. You'll find this right under your profile picture and name. Clicking on Saved will bring up all your boards. It's a visual feast of inspiration, but today, we're focusing on something a little more specific: deleting a board. Take a moment to scroll through your boards and find the one you want to delete. This could be a board that you've lost interest in, or one that's filled with ideas you no longer want to pursue. Once you find it, go ahead and click on the board to open it up. Now that you're inside the board, look for the three dots that resemble more options, usually found right next to the board's name. This is a handy little menu that offers you various actions to take regarding the board you're currently viewing. Once you see those three dots, give them a click. After clicking those dots, you'll see several options appear. For what we want to do today, you need to select Edit Board. This option allows you to modify settings related to the board, which includes the ability to delete it altogether. As you enter the Edit screen, you'll want to scroll down to the bottom of the page. There, you'll find a section dedicated to board settings. Among these settings, don't hesitate to look closely for a button that says Delete Board. It's usually in red or a color that stands out, indicating the permanence of this action. Now comes the crucial part, clicking on that Delete Board button. When you click it, Pinterest will make sure you really want to go through with this by asking for confirmation. This is a great safeguard in case you click something by mistake. A small pop-up will appear asking you to confirm your decision whether to delete that board or not. Here's where you need to be diligent. If you're absolutely certain that you want to delete the board, go ahead and click on Delete Forever, and just like that, you're done. The board will be removed from your Pinterest account permanently. Remember, deleting a board is irreversible, so make sure you're ready to say goodbye to that Pinterest inspiration space. If you find deleting boards like this to be quite liberating, you can go ahead and repeat the process for any others that no longer serve your creative journey. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to delete a Pinterest board. I hope this step-by-step guide was straightforward and easy to follow. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Pinterest as well as other platforms. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning!